So this is the first ever video I'll do, being there's no videos out there, of Woodland Manufacturing's sawmills. Their industrial sawmill. This one is a K6. Throughout the years, maybe it had Kubota diesels on it, but now it has, for the hydraulic setup, it has a cheap Harbor Freight engine, which surprisingly runs excellent. And then for the head saw itself, it's running a 37 horse Vanguard engine, which that runs really good. They're pretty interesting machines, super heavy built. Everything about it is just overkill. This is not a Wood Miser or any other machine. They're over the top. This K6 model was never built with a trailer option. It was set up to be like stationary. Whoever at some point in time kind of fabricated this axle that's, I mean, it's good enough to move it around on a site, but not something you're going to go down the road with, for obvious reasons as well. Maybe in the future I'll set up something to have a set of axles on it that can be easily removed, I would think, in the tail. From some of them I did see with axle setups, put axles in the tail here and a tongue up here somehow. Won't be too big of a deal, but you know, that's eventually. Let's see, first impressions overall. The log and can turning system in the head blocks works pretty good. I did have the opportunity to run it before I purchased it, but then this one in particular doesn't have another log turner in the middle. All it has is this spike that you can throw up. It'll pop up and it'll sit on the back of the log, and then you can rotate the carriage backwards and it'll roll the log for you if those can't grab a hold of it. I don't know, overall first impressions, they're exceedingly simple. Everything about it's simple, off-the-shelf parts. There's nothing fancy and proprietary about it. You know, hydraulic cylinders are nothing more than tie rod cylinders you can pick up at Tractor Supply or wherever. Heck, even the chains. Pretty much any industrial supply shop, you could get the pumps, pulleys, belts, you know, the hydraulic motors. Everything is, actually, it's genius how simple everything is. And overbuilt, oh my goodness. We're talking, this machine weighs very close to 10,000 pounds, whereas like Wood Misers, for instance, they weigh half that. Like, it is a big chunk of steel. But overall, fantastic machine. I'm just working on getting things adjusted and set up, like these for the board returns. They need a little adjustment. All the bearings are good though, and it just needs a little bit of adjusting, a little bit of going over, and then, you know, grease, oil, and a new band, and can throw a log on it. So hopefully by the end of today I'll have all the maintenance items done, and make a few more videos of it, just because there's literally no other videos out there about these machines really running or anything explaining about them. So little by little I will post more content about these, and yeah, any questions, put in the comments. Any other things you want to see, questions, I'll do my best to answer them, and yeah, we'll go from there little by little. All right guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll do it again. Thank you.